Okay, we now move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. It can be English or any other foreign language. You should say where you were, past tense, who you were with, past tense, what did you talk about, topic, past tense, and explain how you felt about it. So your cue card is in total past tense. Try to demonstrate good sentence structures related to past. Your time starts now.
There are various foreign languages that are spoken in different countries around the globe. Last week I got a chance to communicate in foreign language, which was English. I remember I was in England with my brother, and my younger brother was having parent-teacher meeting at his school, and as my parents are not present in England, they were away from England, so I was the one who is supposed to attend my younger brother's parent-teacher meeting on the behalf of my parents. So I have decided to accompany my brother at his school. He was studying at British school, and in British school all the faculty members were foreigners. So that means that I have to communicate in English. And after reaching to his school, I had a discussion with one of his teacher, and we discussed about his academic performance, and we discussed about the academic performance and what strategies and areas he should try to focus more in order to achieve good grades in the upcoming years, and what presently in what subjects he has performed exceptionally well. And after discussing these the meeting lasts for 45 minutes approximately.
Okay, all right, you've spoken for 2 minutes. Well, overall you spoke well, you spoke quite energetically, fluently and all that, and I really appreciate that.
Thank you,
pronunciation is good, fluency is fairly fine, you can improve it a little more. As far as grammar is concerned, I found some mistakes. Like you said, my parents are not present. It should have been my parents were not present. Then you said, I have decided. It should have been I had decided.
Yes.
Then you said to accompany. It should have been accompany. To accompany. Then you said I have to. It should have been I had to. Then you said finally one of his teacher. One of his teachers, plural.
Yes,
and then you said the meeting last for. It should have been lasted. So
for.
These mistakes were there. Other than that, you spoke well. Now let's move on with speaking part 3. At what age should children start learning a foreign language?
According to my point of view, I think students should try to learn foreign language in their primary schools, because it is the best time to learn a new language. The primary reason for this is that they have less study burden on them, so they have ample free time in which they can utilize efficiently in order to learn something. Something good. In future it will going to help, they will get numerous benefits from them.
Okay, which skill is more important, speaking or writing?
It seems to me that
it seems to me
both skills are equally important, because if one person is unable to write well, how is the possibility that he can speak fluently? So in order to perform better in life, one should have to learn speaking, and one should have to learn writing and speaking simultaneously.
Okay, does a person still need to learn another language if he or she is good at English?
Well, it depends upon situation. If someone is planning to moving to German.
Move to German.
Move to German. In
Germany.
in Germany, most of the people like to communicate in their native language, which is German. So in that case, he or she needs to get familiarized with the native language. Otherwise, if someone likes to go to any other country like in Australia, Canada, in which English is well recognized and everyone can easily speak in English, so in that case, I don't think so that learning a foreign language, someone needs to learn a foreign language.
Okay. Do you think minority languages will disappear in the future?
Yes, from my point of view, English is widely spoken and everyone has the chance to communicate with foreigners in English language. Foreigners in English language. So in this case, according to my prediction, yes, one day in future, minority languages like German and French, there could be a possibility that they will demise from this world.
They'll disappear or die out.
Yeah,
die
they
out
will
is
die
the appropriate word. Okay, overall it's quite good. You understand the question and you address the question when you answer. Although there are some minor mistakes, through practice you can overcome them. The way you are, at present, I'll give you a 6.5 so that you are not overconfident. But with this type of speaking, if you just work out these minor mistakes, you can easily achieve that 7.
I have only one issue which I really like to discuss with you. The grammar. I know grammar, sometimes I made a lot of mistakes in grammar, and otherwise I think I could improve myself because my aim is to achieve 8 bands. Recently, I just appeared in my exam. I scored 7 in speaking.
That's what I told you. Okay, so you need to work hard with your grammatical mistakes. That's important. And for that, I'll recommend you books. So you can go through those books and they will improve your grammar. Right? Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.